Hello. So, what is RF? Now, that might sound like a strange question, and it sort of is. You might be thinking to yourself, well, RF, radios, it's a thing in your car that you listen to. And you would be right to a degree. But a lot of people today seem to miss the connection between modern communications and radios. Anything that's transmitted wirelessly, any data or anything like that, is radio. Now, I know that might be hard to grasp, and unlike a lot of these videos that run you through RF stuff, I'm not going to show you a radio spectrum. While that's okay, I don't think it gives a firm grasp of what's actually encompassed within the HF, VHF, UHF ranges. And in another video I'll cover HF, VHF and all that in a bit more detail. But if you think, we'll go with VHF and UHF, which would be the main thing that most modern communication uses, very high frequency and ultra high frequency. And they encompass so much. You cannot go today without using one of them in some shape or form. To give you a very brief list, GPS, your mobile phone or cell phone if you're American, the Bluetooth that your phone uses, near field communication, walkie-talkies, TV signals, even your microwave, although that's higher on the frequency spectrum. All of these use radio. And I had a conversation with a couple of guys who were in IT security, and we got onto the topic of radios. And I was saying to them, similar to what I'm saying now, and they had said, you know, why are you interested in radios? What's the benefit there? And I asked them, well, have you ever hacked into radio? And them being pen testers and hackers, I figured that was a fair assumption, and they both said no. And I said, right, well, have you hacked into Wi-Fi? And they went, oh yeah. I said, right, have you hacked into a phone? And went, oh yeah. So, well, that's radio. What you hacked into was radio. Okay, you used a computer to do it, but that computer would have sent that signal wirelessly, which is radio. And there are so many other ways to capture radio traffic, like software-defined radios, which you use on a laptop, and again, I'll cover them in another video. And a lot of that traffic is so easily captured, and security on that perspective is often overlooked. So I think it's a good thing for everyone to have a basic understanding of what radio is and how you can actually see it, not with your eyes. Obviously, you can't get a pair of goggles to do that, but with very limited equipment, you can see the radio spectrum. You can capture packets going past everything from your car keys, unlocking and locking your car, and even keyless start cars. It's amazing what you can see just sitting there with a laptop and an antenna and seeing this communication happen, and you can capture it and you can see it. It's the same way if you've ever seen on the news about those people who have been taking keyless cars by holding a device up to a window or a door and another device near the car, and it unlocks the car and the car starts. All that is a radio repeater that's operating on the frequency that the keyless car uses. It captures that and repeats it. It's as simple as that, and they're away with your car, and you'd never know any better. So having a good understanding of radios and how they work, I think, is very important, especially as more and more stuff becomes wireless. So I'm going to be doing a few videos explaining in a bit more detail radios and the spectrum and how you can access them and look at these things very easily, so that you're a bit more aware of what's going on around you.